Okay, so this is wild. The tool that literally every developer in the world uses today. Yes, it's Git, and it was built in just 2 weeks. Yes, just 2 weeks. Yes, 14 days by just one guy. And get this, he named it after himself as a joke because Git is British slang for annoying person. Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux, basically locked himself in a room and created what would become the industry standard for version control. So this fun fact is entertaining, but it also shows you something important. The right tool built properly becomes unstoppable, and that's why learning Git properly matters. And let's check out this story.
Same time. So you're passing a USB drive around your team. So it is again a kind of a chaos situation, right? Because you have five people who are trying to access the same file at the same time, and you're passing a USB drive to make the changes. But version control solves that problem because multiple developers can work on the same project simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes, and that's what we're going to see how it's going to happen. And then providing the complete history, that is you can travel back in time, so every changes you make is recorded. It will show who made it, what they made it, and why they made it. So you can literally go back to any point in your project's history. If you made a change like 3 weeks ago that broke something, you can see what exactly has changed and what was changed and who did made the change. So you cannot escape from your team. And then the next thing is the essential skills for modern software development. So I'm not exaggerating, but when I say that every professional development job expects you to know the version control, it's not at all an optional anymore. It's fundamental now. And the next thing, Git is the industry standard. Yes, over 95% of developers, testers, DevOps engineers, cloud engineers, no matter what, whoever you point out in the IT field, they use Git, and it's becoming the de facto standard. So usually like 5, 10 years back, people used to ask us like, do you know MS Office to work? Or do you know the basics of Windows? So something like that. Now Windows, the Git is getting the de facto standard. So learning Git is like learning to type for a writer. So it's just expected. And any questions so far? Any questions or any doubts or anything?